55 Ghana cedi for this whole package.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel once again. So this is Kumasi China Mall. So I'm coming to shop some kitchen glassware. Those kitchen glassware I did window shopping in City Mall. I'm going to shop them right here in China Mall, because China Mall it will be less expensive as compared to City Mall. So follow me, don't go anywhere. There is so many interesting things you will love to see. Follow me and then let's shop together. This is ice bucket. It's 11 Ghana cedi and I'll pick one. This is glass jar. I hope you all can remember this glass jar back in City Mall. It was like 29 cedi. China Mall right here, it is 24 cedi, meaning I'm saving 5 cedi. So the next thing I'll be picking is this mini storage glass. It's 2 cedi 50 pesos. They are into sizes. The size depends the price. This juice glass cup, one is 6 Ghana cedi. I'll take 2. That makes it 12 Ghana cedi. Let's correct this misconception. Things are less expensive in China Mall. This doesn't mean that the things are inferior. They are proper things. Like, just look at them. They are original things. They are not inferior. They are so good and authentic. They are nice. We have the perception that made in China goods are not always original, but trust me, these things here, they are original. They are just original. They are the same thing I saw in City Mall, and it is original. This doesn't mean that things are expensive in City Mall. No, per my window shopping, I got to realize that things are equally low, like they are equally less expensive. So that is it. This mall, if you see anything that you are interested in, just pick it. Because if you don't pick it and you think you go and come back, you roam and you will not find where you saw it. I saw this measuring cup earlier, but I didn't pick it. Now I'm seriously looking for it, but I can't find it. Oh my God, this is it. I finally found it. This is it. So I'll be picking 1000 ml. They are into sizes. We have 1000 ml, 900 ml, 800 ml, 500 ml. I'll be picking 1000 ml. That is 1 liter. So guys, I'm done shopping with my kitchen glassware. There are so many things I would love to shop, but priorities first. So for today, I'm done. I'm home now. Let's take a quick look at the things I bought. Glass kettle, 24 cedi. Glass cups, 6 cedi each. So together 12. Ice bucket 11 cedi. This glass 2 cedi 50 peso. Place mats 7 cedi 50 peso. So in all I paid 55 Ghana cedi. 55 Ghana cedi for this whole package. So this is including taxes, COVID and VAT and all those small taxes. I had used the measuring cup, that's why you can't see it here. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Until my next video, it's a bye.